Hey, I'm Chuck Sanders with Sanders Gas. I'm in Meridian, Mississippi, and we sell a lot of gas logs. And one of my guys told me, we probably need to make a video on how to operate the remote. From year to year, you just kind of forget how to operate it, and so I thought I'd just put something on YouTube so people could look at it and kind of remind them. I'm going to show you one that I've got on a display shelf, not one that's in a fireplace. Let's see. This display shelf may not show real good. Here we go. But this set of gas logs is typical of many of the remote control gas logs. Now you can see the temperature there is in this room is kind of warm, but it's 82 degrees in here. The remote is set at 75 degrees, and as you can see up here, in the thermostat setting, it's in off. Now there's three settings on the gas logs. They're not these three buttons, but right here you've got three different settings. Right now it's in the thermostat setting. That's where we really like to see people leave it. But that's in the off setting. Nothing's going to happen there unless you flip the manual switch on a set of gas logs. You could turn it on without the remote at that point. But with the remote, if I click it one time, the 3301 it comes on, and we get a real pretty fire. Now it'll just stay on at this point. Sometimes if you come in from the cold, it's good just to turn it on and let her heat up and kind of warm your backside. Now the second setting would be the thermostat setting. Now right now the temperature is temperature in the room was greater than what I had it set at, so it was going to turn off pretty quick if I hadn't changed it. And if I change that thermostat setting down, which I just use this button here to the left, and I can bring temperature down. If I go down below the 82 mark there, it should cut off here in just a second, which it does. Go back up above. This is the set temperature right here. This is what temperature the unit will operate at. So if I go above that 1 or 2 degrees, it's going to turn on and start operating until it gets back up to that temperature, and then it'll cut off and on automatically. Gas logs do a lot of nice things. This remote's really nice. It just works. I would suggest, if you going to put it there on your mantle, set it over like maybe over on the far right, and if you do that, just leave it there. It's not like a TV remote that you need to be changing channels like I do, and of course that's a male thing. I want that remote. I'm in charge. Maybe with your wife though, you could let her handle this one, because she can set it at a temperature and just leave it. Set it up on the mantle down on the end. Don't set it right over the middle, because the heat will go up and turn it off and on too much. Anyway, 3301 remote works real good for gas appliances, gas logs, gas fireplaces. I'll probably put a few more videos on about remotes, but this is the one we use, the 3301.